Hi, and welcome to the series of tutorials on Oracle JavaScript Extension Toolkit. In this series of tutorials, we will be talking about Oracle Jet and how could we use it to develop client-side applications in a simple and easy way. In this first video, we will be talking about what is Oracle Jet, what are some of the advantages of using Oracle Jet, and also what are some of the technologies it builds on top of. So let's start by defining what is Oracle Jet. According to its homepage, OracleJet is a collection of open source JavaScript libraries focused on the development of client-side web applications, and more specifically on client-side web applications that interact with Oracle products and services. Well, actually, OracleJet is more than just a collection of JavaScript libraries. It is an entire development toolkit and web development framework, and it is also a suite of pre-built components that have accessibility and responsive design already implemented on them. So the main advantage of working with Oracle Jet is that you do not need to build all your components from scratch. You can go to its UI component library, which you can find here in the Oracle Jet homepage under the cookbook section. If you go to the cookbook section, uh, you can see the full library of components that you can use to build your application. So this, in my opinion, is the main advantage over other most common web development frameworks or web development toolkits, such as, for example, Create React App, Beat, and all of those tools for developing a single page application. Here in Oracle Jet, you already have all these components pre-built. So when you want to build an application, you don't need to start from scratch and creating components from scratch. You can just come here to the cookbook and grab the components you need to build your application. So when you're building an application with Oracle Jet, you focus less on the development of components and you focus more on the development of your application logic. So that's the main advantage on Oracle Jet, even though it provides you with all these development tools that other web development frameworks provide you with, like a CLI for creating a project from scratch, or building and packaging your application and perform optimizations on it. Uh, and this is because it builds on top of already known web development tools such as Webpack, and it even has integrated uh, UI development library, which is another important point about Oracle Jet. Oracle Jet is based on two different architectures. The first of them is the MDVM architecture, or Model View View Model architecture, which is based on the Knockout library. This is the oldest version of Oracle Jet, and the most recent version of Oracle Jet integrates what is called the Virtual DOM architecture, which is based on the Preact UI development library. So if you had worked with this popular UI development library such as Preact or React, you are pretty familiar with the Virtual DOM architecture. It lets you define components in a declarative way instead of defining them in an imperative way. So you focus less on how the things would need to be done, and you focus more on what are the things that need to be done because you are declaring your components in a declarative way.